morning, I am Ineke Tamba from Group 2. Today I would like to explain the chapter 3 of our journal. Okay, in the chapter 3 of our journal is talk about the research design, which is the research was conducted by using contrastive analysis method as the research method because the writer not only want to describe but also to analyze them. According to Naibaho, contrastive analysis is the method of analysis whereby the differences and similarities of two or more languages are made explicit. As an explicit analysis in dealing with language concern. Contrastive analysis can be concluded there is a way to compare the first language structure with the second language structure to find out how far the differences and similarities of both language compare are. In this case, the first language is English and the second language is Batak language, focused on imperative sentence according to its types, functions, and marks. Okay, the second point is the procedures of collecting data. Documentary technique was used to collect the data. Documentary means read all the references. The required information was collected by reading and studying as many references as possible to study. So the data were taken from some textbooks in English and Batak Toba language associated with the use of imperative sentence, such as Modern English, a practical reference guide by Marcella Frank, English sentence practice by Drummond Garden, Syntaxis Bahasa Batak Toba by Robert Sibarani, Grammar of Batak Toba by L.N. van der Zug. Then the data were analyzed under the principles of contrastive analysis. And then the last point is the technique of analysis data. After collecting data, a descriptive analysis was applied by analyzing and comparing the data to find out the similarities and differences between the information of using SVO in English and Batak Toba language. Some important things must be done in analyzing data, such as finding the types, functions, and markers of imperative sentence in English, and then finding types, functions, and markers of imperative sentence in Batak Toba language, and then comparing types, functions, and find out the differences and the similarities of imperative sentence between English and Batak Toba language. Thank you.